Now come to lesson number 3. Next movement we are talking rotation. We have seen revolution. Now we will see rotation. So the earth also spin around an imaginary line. Imaginary line means which we cannot see, that passes through its center. This line is called the earth's axis. Okay, so the spinning movement of the earth about its own axis, the spinning movement of the earth about its, that I will explain, on axis, it's called rotation. Have you seen spinning movement of a top? So see, this is a top. Okay, this is a movement. So see, when top moves, tops we used to play in our childhood, and maybe you are playing now. So this tops moves on its axis. Okay, this axis. This is its axis point, ending point. So this is known as rotation. So there is also earth. If you will see the spinning of the earth moves like this. Okay, this is north pole, this is south pole, and earth moves like also like this. Okay, like a top. So this is spinning movement of the earth, because earth also moved on its axis, like top. This top moves on its axis. Earth also moves on its own axis, as this movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. And the earth takes 24 hours to rotate once on its axis. Okay, it takes 24, and this causes only day and night. The rotation of the earth causes days and night. Okay, you can see that the rotation of the earth causes day and night. Now we'll move to next topic, our environment. So next topic is our environment. So environment is everything around us. Okay, whatever we see around us, plants, animals, human beings, roads, water, all including makes our environment. Okay, including the plants and animals and non-living things also, such as air, water, wind, anything which you see around your, that are known as surroundings. Okay, you can say environment. From this environment, what we get water, we get oxygen. Okay, we get food also from with the help of plant. However, unwanted and harmful things are getting mixed into our environment and making it dirty and safe. Okay, in our environment, whatever the harmful and unwanted things, they also mix with our surrounding, and they makes our environment dirty, and this is called pollution. Okay, so environment means it is everything which includes what? Living things such as plants and animal and non-living things. Okay, such as air, water and land. Okay, these are unwanted and harmful things things are getting mixed with our mixed into our environment and makes it dirty, and this is called pollution. Okay, so how we can what makes air polluted? So like vehicles and factories, release smoke and it's made dirty. Now harmful gases released by burning of wood, petrol and garbages, these also makes dirty. Now how we can keep our air clean? So avoid using, how can we keep? So avoid using cars or any vehicles, cars for short distances. We should reuse. Okay. Avoid burning of garbages. Because this only mixed with our air environment and it makes our environment so dirty. Okay. Now we can how we can keep the water clean. We should not throw waste into what? Water bodies. We should not wash clothes. Body bodies should not wash. We should not throw waste into water body. Should not wash clothes or bath animals into the water body. Now how we can keep our land clean? So garbage should always be collected in the throw garbage, okay, into the what? Dustbin. Do not throw on the land. If you will throw, your surrounding will get polluted. We must try to reuse. We must try to reuse things, okay, to reduce waste. Like I am giving you one example. See, when your mother cuts vegetables or any fruits, the peels of vegetables and fruit, what you do, you used to throw it. Do not throw it. Use that is use it. You can say manure. You can use that peels as a manure. Take that peels and dig the land and keep that peel into that, and you try to grow some plants, okay, onto that, or some flower onto that soil, and it will be very good manure for you. And we should reduce the consumption of what? Paper. Because paper, what we do, we cut the tree, and this is also cause deforestation. So this can also cutting of trees will cause only pollution. So maybe after a few years there will be no tree, and and you will not get proper air, proper oxygen to breathe. So that's why reduce the using of paper. So finally your chapter finished. Okay, and whatever question answer is there, that I will keep uploading. So for now, goodbye to all.